All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Drew, and I will be the host for this Kubernetes 135 release team meeting. Today is October 1st, and we are in week 3 of the release cycle. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which could be summarized as please be excellent to one another. This meeting is recorded and will be publicly posted to YouTube, so please be mindful what you say is being recorded. Okay, so let's go to the open discussion items. Friendly reminder, if you're interested, we have a Kubernetes community calendar. So all of the other special interest groups and various like working groups have meetings posted on the calendar. So if you're interested to learn more about other special interest groups, you can find their meetings posted there. So yeah, as you go along throughout the release cycle, there will be a lot of other special interest groups that you'll be reaching out to. If you're curious to know more, this is a great opportunity. Is there anything else that we wanted to have open discussion about? Is there any questions about the community calendar? Okay, why don't we move forward to the sub-team updates, starting with enhancements.
Hey everybody, thanks Drew. Josh from Enhancements here today. The update from us is current status is yellow. Currently tracking at 81 caps. We've almost completed our SIG outreach this week. I think there's just a couple left to go. You can see the numbers by stage there. I won't read them out. In terms of other updates, all the access related PRs have been merged, so all the shadows should have the relevant access required. Our shadow onboarding call is scheduled for tomorrow, and we will soon be starting our outreach to all KEPs regarding the PRR freeze and getting their KEP statuses updated. Let me know if you have any questions.
Yeah, it looks like it's all coming along. So yeah, thanks for the update. Any questions for enhancements? All right. Release signal.
All right. For release signal, we are red. We have 3 failing tests. One for CAPZ Windows Master. The integration masters is one for volumes that's being taken over already. And the last one is for conformance, and there is a PR open that should fix it. But for now, it's red.
How's the triage going on those? Do we know?
Doing well, yeah. Like it helped it to fix the last one, and I think the other ones are going on for the other teams.
Okay. Any questions for release signal? All right, thanks for the update. Docs, what do you got?
Hey everyone, I'm Tushar Mittal, and our status is green for this week, and all of the access related PRs and to like specific orgs and Google groups have been completed. We also did our onboarding session this week, Monday, so that has been done. And our next step would be that we'll be opening up official 1.35 release docs PR by Friday. Yeah, that's all.
All right, any questions for docs? Okay, moving on to comms.
Yes, so hello everyone. The current status for comms is green. So the lead Graziano shared a plan for comms team deadline with in the release leads group chat. So he's currently waiting for feedback on them. And the comms shadow onboarding was done earlier today. And a PR has been opened by to add all the version 1.35 com shadows to release team at kubernetes.io and release team shadows at kubernetes.io. The review and merging will be required. And yeah, everything is set up from the com side, and we'll be able to work on all the tasks in the coming weeks.
Excellent. Sounds great. Any questions for the comms team? All right. Do we have someone from release branch management?
Yep. Hey everyone. I guess this is the first meeting after the release branch management shadows are selected. So I guess we can introduce ourselves. Me and Eddie are there. Hey everyone. My name is Sriram. I am the release branch management team this cycle, and I'm happy to be working with you all folks again. Yeah, Ellie, what do you like to?
Hey guys, how you doing? Ellie here. I was on the release signal for the last couple of releases. Now I'm branch management, so happy to see you all again. And for all the teams, if you need any help, I'm ready too. So happy to see your faces. See you around. And by the way, for the team, we started like looking at onboarding, so not much to share for you guys. So thank you.
Hey team, I'll quickly introduce myself again. So I'm also helping out with release branch management this time around as a kind of a shadow there. Nice to meet everyone.
All right. Yeah, welcome to the team. We're excited to have you all here. Any questions for release branch management? All right, well, we'll stay in touch for the first alpha cut next week. That'll be exciting. All right, moving on to sub-project lead, Kat.
Hello, everybody. So first of all, please DM me links to any outstanding PRs or issues for org membership. I have responded to everything that I have been tagged in on GitHub, but if I'm not tagged in it, I can't see it. So if there's anything I'm missing, let me know and I will handle it. The first shadow onboarding call was today and the second is tomorrow. So if you are in this call and you cannot make the one tomorrow, please let me know. That's totally fine. We can do a one-on-one thing, or I can schedule a third one. We can make it work. Sub-team leads, please make sure that your shadows who are new to the release team show up to one of those or reach out to me. There are a couple people that I know for sure are not on either of the invites and have not reached out to me and are also in US time zones. So make sure that they come talk to me, please. Thank you. That's it for now. So on to the release lead, unless anybody has questions for me.
All right, I'll take that as a no. Yeah, so my update, so sub team leaves. If you still have your sub team orientation to do, please invite the release lead shadows as optional attendees. They're really curious to learn more about your team, so that's an ask that they had for me to pass along. Bonus if you're willing to record your sub team orientations, totally optional, no stress, but yeah, they're very eager to learn. So if you have recorded it, please reach out. We'll figure out a way to pass that along to them. So like we mentioned earlier, branch management, we have the first alpha cut due next Wednesday. So I'll be coordinating to make sure all of that is in order. We also have the production readiness review freeze next week. SIG Architecture is hosting office hours for that later today. I linked the calendar invite here. It's totally optional, but if anybody's curious to learn more about this, especially on the enhancements team, this will be taking place in a few hours today. I'll be stopping by there to touch base and see if there's anything that we can do to help them in their process. So Leads and shadows, please double check that your 135 contact spread or info on the spreadsheet is up to date and is current and correct. And also, please confirm that all the PRs are merged. If there's any outstanding PRs, please let me or a release team shadow know, and we'll help you get those merged in. So any questions for me as the release lead? Okay, so then SIG scalability, it looks like our current status is green, so we're good there. I realize that some folks may have not been able to make it to the meeting last week. And are there any shadows here that still have yet to introduce themselves?
I wasn't here last week. I'm a release lead shadow. My name's Jenny. Last few releases I was on enhancements. So glad to be back working with you all again.
Are there any other open discussion items that we want to have before we stop the recording? All right. Well, for everyone that has attended, thank you for joining us. And if you're watching on YouTube, thank you for tuning in today.